Robotic nursing assistants. Robotic nursing assistants are used to provide patient care and support, such as feeding, bathing, and monitoring vital signs. These robots can help reduce the workload of nursing staff and improve patient outcomes by providing consistent and reliable care. Additionally, robotic nursing assistants can help reduce the risk of healthcare-associated infections by minimizing human contact with patients. Autonomous medical drones. Autonomous medical drones are used to deliver medical supplies, such as vaccines, blood, and medications, to remote or hard-to-reach areas. These drones can help improve access to healthcare in underserved regions and can provide emergency medical supplies in disaster scenarios. Autonomous medical drones can also help reduce transportation costs and improve delivery times. AI-powered medical diagnosis. AI-powered medical diagnosis is a technology that uses machine learning algorithms to analyze medical images and provide accurate diagnoses. This technology can help improve the speed and accuracy of medical diagnoses, allowing for earlier detection and treatment of diseases. Additionally, AI-powered medical diagnosis can help reduce healthcare costs by improving the efficiency of diagnostic processes. Wearable health monitoring devices. Wearable health monitoring devices are used to track and monitor vital signs, such as heart rate, blood pressure, and blood glucose levels. These devices can provide real-time data to healthcare providers, allowing for early detection of potential health issues and more personalized treatment plans. Wearable health monitoring devices can also help patients manage chronic conditions and promote healthy lifestyle habits. Robotic pharmacy automation. Robotic pharmacy automation is a technology that uses robots to automate medication dispensing and packaging processes. This technology can help reduce medication errors, improve medication adherence, and reduce the workload of pharmacy staff. Robotic pharmacy automation can also help reduce costs and improve efficiency by streamlining medication dispensing processes. Virtual reality therapy. Virtual reality therapy is a technology that uses virtual reality simulations to provide therapy for mental health conditions, such as anxiety and post-traumatic stress disorder (PTSD). This technology can help patients confront and overcome their fears in a safe and controlled environment, allowing for more effective treatment and improved outcomes. Robotic exoskeletons. Robotic exoskeletons are wearable devices that can provide support and assistance to individuals with mobility impairments. These devices can help individuals with spinal cord injuries, stroke, or other conditions to regain some or all of their mobility, allowing for greater independence and quality of life. Smart hospitals. Smart hospitals are healthcare facilities that use technology to improve patient outcomes and reduce costs. Smart hospitals can include technologies such as electronic health records, remote patient monitoring, and automated medication dispensing systems.